Kids love to celebrate their birthdays. It's a milestone to remember. However, this year we are forced not to celebrate it with family and friends. But social distancing doesn't mean social isolation. Plus, it also injects something joyful into a time that's tough and inundated with negative news. This is a small video to show about how we celebrated our eldest son's ninth birthday. So, here we go. So, the first thing I started on was baking the cake. My son loves a choco vanilla cake, and he also chose a race car spiral theme cake, so I made that for him. The ingredients for all the recipes that I have used today are mentioned in the description box. I decided to bake and decorate the cake one day before his birthday. Birthdays are so special no matter how old you are. So we started the day with a special breakfast, pancakes, his favorite. In the evening, I just made some French fries for him because he absolutely loves them. No party is complete without decorations. So I made some birthday decorations. It wasn't much, just a simple birthday name banner, but my son seemed to like it. In the evening, we showed him a birthday montage. All his close friends and our family were so kind enough to send their love and wishes virtually. My son was so thrilled to see this video. It truly made him feel so special. I would also love to thank everyone who took the trouble and sent their special videos. Thank you. I thought it would be fun if instead of just giving him his present, he would have to find it. So my husband and I planned a scavenger hunt for him, and the end result was his birthday gift. And of course, a small little gift for my daughter as well. We didn't want to let her feel a little left out.
Everywhere. Look somewhere on top, maybe. It's right in front of you.
Okay. Open me to use me. Close me when you're through. You will find me in the study room. I can open it, please.
Okay, let her.
I didn't realize. Give. From my reflection, you will see your complete.
Got it?
Your cake, I baked some bread. Who am I? Can you guess me? Wait. What is it? Dance. Do you know me? By any chance? Where is it?
Look somewhere, maybe underneath. Yes, Ananya.
Cool air all night through. There will be the birthday gift for you. Parents are in AC. What is this?
That is Ananya's. Where will you find yours? Ananya got her return gift. Wait, where will yours be? Come.
Oh my God!
Later in the evening, my in laws joined us for a small celebration. They live in our building, hence, it was possible for them to make it. The rest of our family joined in through video call. We then cut the cake. It was so nice to have everyone present, even though it was virtual. We then had our dinner, a simple spread: tawa pulao, bundi raita, and a salad. So that was an end to a very tiring but a very perfect day. I had promised to make donuts for the birthday, but unfortunately I couldn't do it then. I didn't want to go back on my word, so I decided to make it the next day. So here it is. Again, you will find the ingredients in the description box below.
I hope you enjoyed my birthday celebration.
If you did, please do give a thumbs up and do consider subscribing. Until next time, see you soon. Bye.